presence and awareness. The body is not a mere vessel to be shaped or endured. It is a gateway to understanding life itself. Through it, one can access discipline, focus, and a deeper connection to the rhythm of nature. In his view, the body holds memory, emotion, energy, and tension. By training the body with intention, one learns how to listen to its messages. Tension in the shoulders, restlessness in the legs, tightness in the chest. These are not random occurrences, but signs from within. Shi Heng Yi teaches that by quieting the noise of the external world and turning inward, we can learn the language of the body and begin to resolve the imbalances that often go unnoticed. Every breath, every step, every gesture is an opportunity to return to balance. Here is a complete and detailed Qigong routine inspired by Master Shi Heng Yi, focused entirely on self-healing. Together with the other Qigong sets, this routine develops a strong and flexible core and increases body awareness and the ability of mobilizing force. Enjoy your training.
Bring it out. Okay. Right heel is flat on the floor, left heel is up. See, here look. If I don't have any power in the right leg anymore, then it looks like this. Yeah, like a flat tire. So there's no power in there. There's no pressure in there. It's just a little bit. It's not, this is too much, this is too less. It's something in between. So you always have some base pressure, some base tension in the body. So then from here, if it's difficult for you to move to the other side, first you can also use your hands. So from here, switch side. Up, go up. And support yourself, go down, same here.
This will help you to activate the healer within. The goal is not to add more. The goal is to remove the noise, the stress, the blockages. What remains is your natural power, your health, your life force.
Down here, if you lean a little bit to the front, you will feel the stretch down inside of your thighs. Then switch side. Now left leg inside of the thighs. Switch. 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 Also the knee here. Look for yourself how you are placing the left foot. This is not, it doesn't feel comfortable for the knee. So figure out for yourself. That's why you start slow. Figure out in which angle this knee must stand for you not to have any pain there. Then let's go 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good, stay down. Stay down from here. Left leg is in the front. Right leg. Place it here. This part of the right foot is above the left knee. Here, this is my knee, and the right foot is like lying here on top of it. So now from here, take your time and bring down push, yeah. Push here, try bringing down the right knee, stretching at the same time the ankles. Okay. And stay 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
This will activate your core life energy, your healing engine.
10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Good. Right leg. Out. Switch side. Left leg now goes on top. And the knee. Yeah, bring the knee down. Okay, and 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3.
This is the healing rhythm of the body's inner river.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, good. So leg out. Good. Alright. Then, now cross the fingers, place them behind the head. Now here, look, push yourself up on the toes. And let's just stay here 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
This is your natural reset button. Shake off what doesn't serve you.
10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20, and 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, okay. So now make some light jumps, but only on the ball of the foot. On the balls of the foot, so your heel don't touch the ground. Very lightly, so get used to that the whole body weight. Now you only place it down with the balls of the foot. See, very light, but the heels are not touching the floor. Just on the balls of the foot. So, and in the same way, how now the heels are up. Yeah, you stay with the heels up. Stay with the heels up. Place the hand behind the head. So now right knee, right elbow, left knee, left elbow. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
In his teachings, transformation is not something mystical or sudden. It is a slow and steady shift, a refining, a polishing of the soul, day by day. With each breath, each movement, each moment of awareness, we become more aligned with who we truly are. And who we truly are, he teaches, is not weak, scattered, or broken. At our core, we are whole. We are connected. We are powerful beyond measure.